cooking. So explain what you're cooking.
We're making a vegan bolognese sauce and spaghetti bolognese.
Is this an original recipe of yours?
I'm not following a recipe, but I'd say I'd probably take inspiration from multiple recipes. Carrots, we have some celery cut up. Okay, I didn't even plan to have them all neat like this. We have the onion cut up. I'm gonna put the onions down first for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna put the carrots and the celery in after.
And the mushrooms?
Oh yeah, and mushrooms. Okay, I forget.
Then you're gonna add some salt and some pepper and also some balsamic vinegar and mix it on up. Garlic makes everything taste better, so add as much as you'd like. I think we added about 4 cloves of garlic into this sauce.
We have rosemary, thyme, sage, and a little nooch. We're gonna do the spices with the wine. Just trying it out. Also drinking it. I don't really know how much to put in, so we're just gonna eye it here. And we're just gonna let this sit, and all the alcohol needs to sweat out of here.
After that, you're gonna add some rosemary, some sage, some thyme, some salt and pepper, and we just put more garlic in there because we love garlic.
Do you have to block out brands? Crunch, munch.
The whole can?
Yup. The whole can. It's a little cheesy flavor. And it has some nutrients in it.
Oh my god, the water spoiled for pasta. Since this is a vegan bolognese sauce, we're using Morningstar Farms veggie grillers cranberries.
So this is looking a little bit thick. So I'm gonna take this tiny bowl, put some pasta water. And there's some oil in there too. So a little bit. There you go. Thin it out.
Today we're gonna make a vegetable stir fry, and we're gonna be using soy sauce, tofu, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper. We got some sesame seeds, a pepper, onion, ginger, sesame oil, vegetable oil, and corn. When cooking in the van, we have to turn the propane on to start the stove and the fan for circulation.